Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from Trading Winds, and this is our weekend update for July 7th, 2024. Hope everyone is enjoying a couple of days off. Let's have a look at how the markets finished off last week. We did finish in the green here, the Dow up 59 points, the S&P up 31, new all-time high, the Nasdaq up 210 here, again, new all-time high. And the Russell down 10 points, still going sideways. If we quickly take a look at crude oil, it was down about 72 cents, but still doing quite well. Gold and silver, the metals popped, breaking prior highs, prior pivot highs, and looking pretty good. Gold headed back towards the highs of this range, while silver having a real nice day and heading towards the 32-ish mark. If we look at the dollar, it was down slightly, excuse me, slightly, and remains below the 20. Now, I want to bring your attention to a few potential breakouts here that are looking pretty good. Walmart, have a look at Walmart here. Big move on Friday. Whenever I see something like this, what I'm waiting for is confirmation that we follow through. So any trade, one tick, 1 penny above this high, and we'd be in. The nice part is that we are at all-time highs, nothing overhead. So looks great. We've got slope. We had a recent consolidation. That's a beautiful looking breakout. Earnings are 39 days away. That is very clean. Another one is Costco. Costco having a huge day, breaking out, closing not only above this prior high, but near the high of the day. Fantastic. We've got slope. We had a recent consolidation. Earnings are 81 days away, nothing overhead. It's an all-time high. Netflix continues to do well here. And, I mean, we called this one here, but now we've got a move above this prior high right here. So this one not quite closing at near the high, but still in the top portion of the bar. Again, nothing overhead as far as resistance. Now, this one is only 11 days away from earnings. From now on, as we head into earnings season, because earnings season will kick off in about a week and a half or so, um, uh, you've got to check those earnings dates on anything before you're placing your orders. Don't get caught by surprise with an earnings announcement that always can cause a gap, either in your favor or against you, but it's very unpredictable. So be careful. And lastly, VRSK here is another one, not as obvious, but it is there. We've got slope. We had this recent pullback. We had a nice victory buy here, but now we're clearing that high. If you look at the weekly, you look at the monthly, it's a break into all-time highs and 23 days to earnings here. So still plenty of time. Remember, the way I like to do this is take a half position here, mark this prior high, and again, only take that half position. I'm only taking it if it clears this high, and then hope it comes back, retests this level successfully, and that's the opportunity to add the second half. If it just continues to run and never retest this, well, so be it. We've got a half position and we're doing nicely. So that's the way I like to play breakouts.